I'm already in snowflake. I love snowflake. I don't do cocaine, I promise. I do not do cocaine. I don't do drugs, but I like snowflake. Snowflake on 2 weeks. Put it in perspective. I think did I sell? But snowflake, I did the right thing because I followed my system, right? And the system was get in before earnings. So the same shit I'm telling you guys, snowflake, if they come out with some good numbers, look at the chart, right? It is down. Snowflake is down. Snowflake did a lot of snow and it's down. Look, this level popped from this level. It's at the same level, right? Noting that there's no guarantees, but we plan our trades and trade our plan. So now the question is it in a demand zone? Yes, it is. What other factors do you see? Let's look at snowflake. Let's look at their numbers. Snowflake. Let's see if they're making money or if they are partying too much on their own product. Snowflake. Total annual revenue 2021, $500 million, then $1.2 billion, then $2 billion, then 2.8. So Snowflake is moving in the right direction. Okay, just because you're making money or you bring it in money doesn't mean you're making money, right? Just because you got revenue doesn't mean you're profitable. And this is a prime example. They making money, but they ain't keeping no money. They bringing in money, but they are broke, right? Like people driving fancy cars and shit, living off of credit cards and pretending they balling, but they broke. Snowflake is broke, right? So 2020 or whatever the date is here, they are down $500 million, right? Next year, they went even further down in the hole. Then the following, they bleeding even more. And then they bleeding and bleeding, right? So they bringing in money, but after they pay their bills, they are broke. You see what I'm saying? Quarterly, they bringing in money. The money is coming in. So business looks okay on the outside, but after they pay their employees and the lights and the cable and the Bentleys and all of that shit, they cry at night. Snowflake is crying at night. So, you know, that's how it looks. You see what I'm saying? So now you got to ask yourself, is there something that I want to be in it long term? Are they on the verge of coming out of being broke, or what's going on? So Snowflake, from a technical perspective, it looks good. No question about that. From a fundamental perspective, they ain't making no money. So you don't want to be tied in too long. You can still play it, get a pop and be out, but this ain't something you want to get married to until they get their business in order. You feel me?